ako ay nadapa, bigla akong nagulat. Ang tumulong sa akin ay hindi ko kilala, pero siya ay napaka-isig na lalaki. Sa tipo ko siya'y mukhang mabait, kaya ako'y napatayo at napawaw kay Pugi. Ang ganda.
So she was telling Jesus, please tell my sister who's sitting at your feet to help me out. But Jesus answered, okay, in the answer of Jesus, for us to understand why Jesus said that, we have to understand the context. Where is Martha coming from? Bakit siya nagkagaganon? Okay? So where is Martha coming from? The context here is this. Are you familiar with golf? Diba? Golf, yung laro ng golf. Okay, yung mag-swing-swing. Hindi yung golf ng mga tumahan. Golf. The meaning of the acronym golf is gentleman only, ladies forbidden. Anong ibig sabihin nun? Gentleman only, ladies forbidden. In the time of Jesus, those who are not included. So you women are not included in the counting. Kung sa Bisaya pa, sa hulbot-hulbot, wakoy ako, di kayo kasama sa bilangan. Meaning, your social status is lower. You are not important and you do not deserve to sit and learn from a teacher. And so, with that in mind, the context, okay, you can imagine how scandalous it is for Mary to sit son. Ang mga mata ka
Nagulat si Father.
okay, talaga. Tingin dito. Naligo pa naman talaga ako. So, going back to that concept, you can just imagine how worried Martha was. So she approached Jesus to pretend, no? Just to let Jesus tell Mary to leave because she was in a position that is forbidden. She is a woman and yet she sat there with the men. No? Mag-isip siguro ni Martha, ito talaga si Mahal, talaga si Mary. Sumasaling sa mga lalaki. Alright? Pero, what did Jesus say? Jesus said, but the Lord answered her, Martha, Martha. So this is one of those responses where Jesus mentioned the name of Martha twice. So, sino lang ba ang gumagawa nun? If you are close with someone, you can say that to someone who are close to you. So, this signifies the closeness of Jesus with the sisters, especially also with Martha and Lazarus. And he said, Martha, Martha, you are anxious and troubled about many things. And he continued, but one thing is necessary. Mary has chosen the good portion, which will not be taken away from her. So Mary has chosen the better portion. So, pinapagpura ni Jesus si Mary. So, saying she has chosen the better portion na hindi siya tumulong kay Martha na magtrabaho, mag-serve. But what Jesus was actually doing are 2 points. First, Jesus, in saying that Mary has chosen the better part, Jesus was challenging the social norms of that time. Jesus was challenging the golf, the gentleman only, ladies forbidden. No, he was saying, no, I do not agree with that social norm. For me, even women can sit and learn with me. No? Women, for me, can listen and learn from a teacher. So, Jesus was trying to challenge the social norm of that time. Second, Jesus also is trying to say, before there's nothing wrong with working so hard. There's nothing wrong with Martha serving the people. But before you go on working, serving, you should spend time to listen first before taking any action. Ang sabi ni Beyonce, voice in
Lahat ng kamalian ay aking itutuwid. Dilim yakin
hanggang doon na doon. So, why is it important to listen? People these days are so distracted with so many things. Okay? There are so many things that worries us, that makes us anxious, and that
ikaw ang aking sandalan tuwing ako'y suwi at di ko makita ang daan ng aking buhay, ng aking buhay. Diyos kong mahal, salamat sa lahat ng binigay mong biyaya. Sa pagmamahal ko, sana'y tumbasan mo lahat. Saksi